today's video, I actually want to do a garage parking which doesn't have any posts. So this is the real world and this is how the parking outside is gonna look like. So just to remind you that parking tests or garage tests in the driving schools are actually not gonna be the same as how you do it outside. You have two options. You can do either reverse parking or you can do head-on first. So I'm gonna show you both. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. What I'm gonna share with you is actually the easiest way how to do reverse parking. So in this case, I wanted to park there and here. So okay, now built it down. You can see that I can see the lamps behind me. If your car is one of those who has like parking assist or park or sensor, then it's gonna beep and tell you if there are something that you will be hitting outside. Now I think it's already parked. My guide outside says so. That is very easy, guys. That is how you do the reverse parking. Okay, I mean tail first. So that is mostly what I do. And the good thing is that if you are not exactly in the box, you know, in the lanes, what you can do is that just go out and redo it again. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is the thing. In reality, you don't really have to do it first time. You can actually do going back and forth a lot of times as much as you want. But the only thing is that if there are cars behind you, of course you're going to be annoyed. But it takes a lot of practice to do this. This is the one that I always use to park in garage parking. This is the easiest one, okay? But I mean, if you needed to do head first or front first, this is how you're going to do it. Okay, so parking front first, and you should be to the rightmost lane as far as possible. Of course, you have to put your flasher on, and then I'm gonna go just to the end, and I think I just up. We can check. Yay! I'm in the line. So that's how you're gonna do it. If you're gonna park, of course, front first, then you must go to the rightmost part of the lane. Just pull your steering wheel a little bit to the right to get some edge, and then turn to the left, and then you can just make the adjustment as you enter the box, you know, the parking box. You have to memorize your car. You have to know the limits of your car. You have to feel your car to be able to do the parking without damaging any cars. Anyway, if you think that you're going to hit the other car or you're not going to be in the box, just make the adjustment. You can just stop and make sure you do it very, very slowly. Yeah, I think that's just about it. It went very well. I thank you so much again for watching my videos, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.